Hey everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate evaluating derivatives using the power rule, which is usually the easiest and most commonly used of the four main rules of differentiation. Now the best way to demonstrate this technique is by example, so I've prepared a basic function here. F of x is equal to x to the nth power, where n is any number. Now to evaluate this derivative, that is f prime of x, what you'll need to do is take that power, or number, and bring it down in front of x to multiply it. So it becomes nx to the n minus 1. You'll want to subtract that exponent on top of the n. So let's look at a quick example here. Let's say that our f of x is equal to 2x squared. Now in this situation, our n power is going to be 2. So to find f prime of x, what we'll do is we'll take that 2 and bring it down front. 2 times the 2 that was already here in front of our problem. Now what we'll want to do is take x to the n minus 1. Well, if n is equal to 2, we'll want to do 2 minus 1. So simplifying, 2 times 2 is 4. X to the 2 minus 1 power, which is just x to the 1. And of course, x to the 1 is just x. So our function's derivative will be equal to 4x. It's as simple as that. Let's look at another example to ensure understanding. Let's look at f of x is equal to 3x to the negative 4th power. Now, don't be alarmed. There is a negative power here, but it does absolutely nothing to the rules. We'll still take the n minus 1 power. Just keep in mind that this is a negative. So to find the derivative, or f prime of x, we'll do everything like we did in the first problem. We'll bring our n power, which is negative 4, down to the front. Now I like to use a lot of parentheses just to make sure I don't mess up on the signs, plus or minuses. That is, and so we'll have negative 4 times 3, which was already in the problem. We'll leave our x, and now negative 4 minus 1. Okay, simplifying. Negative 4 times a 3 is negative 12. X stays there. Now negative 4 minus 1. A negative minus a positive is still a negative. So negative 4 minus 1 is therefore negative 5. So if you recall, using an x to the negative power is the same thing as writing 1 over that power, but positive. That is, it's the same thing as writing negative 12 times 1 over x to the 5th. When you flip it across the divided by sign, the negative power turns into a positive. So we can simplify this and make it negative 12 over x to the 5th power.